Hello, my little custard creams. How are you all doing today? Good, I hope. Well, today I'm going to do a Finnish 5 Markkaa coin, and that's an icebreaker. Finland's famous for making ice. I think we're making 10 of them for you American boys. Yeah, they build the best ships in the world, Finland do, believe it or not. I should know. I worked on all over the world building them, so. But Finland are good. I think they're worse for Italy. Anyway. Right. First of all, guess what? This is Big Bertha's last day. She's packing her bags. She's leaving me. The divorce papers came through, and yeah, she's off. Look, she's leaking again. She's still giving me a bit of the old leaking. That's why I loved her so much. I have that effect on. I have that effect on. Oh, look at that! You naughty, naughty girl. Here she comes. Come on, baby. You can do it. Oh yeah. Come on. Come to daddy. Today would be good. There you go. You good girl. Right, what we got? I've got a little surprise for you, Bear, today. You're not going to believe it. Right, I've used a small punch because I want to keep the detail, or at least the date, you know. So we'll break out Christy Burr. Dull old day today. No more sun for a little while. Well, this Saturday I go to my local bar with my stuff and I make rings for people in the bar. That's going to be a laugh. I want to go there about, I don't know, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, set up. And then see how it goes. And I've got to not drink much, obviously. I can imagine it, you know, if you get a skinful by about 10, 11 o'clock at night and then people want a bloody ring made. Yeah, right, sure. I'm looking forward to it. It should be a scream. I'll have to be careful with the beer, though. But it's difficult not drinking if you're in a bar with your friends, you know. Right. I know you people want me to show the annealing. I only show it once, though. Once is enough. I just posted off a couple of rings again today. Well, not one sort of a ring. He didn't know his girlfriend's size, so he was thinking of turning it into like a necklace for Christmas for her. So what I did was, I put a jump ring on it, and I also gave him a silver chain. He doesn't know he's getting it. And I turned it into a necklace for him. And when she gets her finger sized after Christmas, she can have it adjusted. And the young man from Scotland, Stuart, I posted him off a load of coins today. So Stuart, they're in the post. I posted them economy though, because it was quite expensive to send them. It was only, what, 19 coins I think I sent you, but it still cost me €8. Right, now let's break out the one and only dimples. So we're going to go this side, sunny side up on the ring, so that goes face down in dimples. Out. Get it level-ish. And go over to Big Red. And give it a bit of the old one too. Yep, so I doubt if you'll be seeing anything of Big Bertha anymore. But she was a good start. Let's get that handle sorted out, it's falling out. Right, let's get it back in again. And then we want one of these. These are 17-degree folding dice. That's too big. Too small. Goldilocks, just right. So I put a bit of jollop in there. How's everybody doing? Could you all do me a favour? If you watch this, could you hit the like button or the dislike button? I don't care which one you hit. I need some more love. Love is the drug, baby. Come on. Anybody remember that song? Love is the drug that I'm thinking of. Oh, can't you see? Right. Those were the days. Right. Well, that's pretty sexy. Now, Bear, you ready for this? You ain't going to believe it, mate. Look at this. Oh. Right. You just want to clean up the edge, make sure it's free from any cracks or splits for me. So when my new hydraulic press turns up, I'm going to want a name for it, so you can all chuck in, see what, you know. I want a really good name though. But wait till you see it first, because it's a bit bright. I have to wear the sunglasses when I'm using it, I think. There you go, sexy as hell. So Bear, there you go, man, it's got some. Right, now we need... No, we don't need that yet. I tell you what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have to warm it up again. So I'll just stop the video. Okie dokie, I just re-annealed it. Looking rather gorgeous, isn't it? So now we go over to Spike. Spike is in town. I think that's a bit too much zoom on that, isn't it? A bit less zoom, baby. Even less zoom. Come on, baby. Come on, behave yourself. There you go. That'll do. So I need a bit of kitchen roll to protect the inside of the coin ring. And we'll give it a bit of the old one too. This isn't for anybody in particular. But today, I'm going to make about, well, 15, 20 of these. This is going to be a long day for me, because I need to take a load pre-made to the bar on Saturday, just in case people haven't got time to hang around and, you know, wait for me to make the ring. God, baby. It's going to need a bit more love, I think, with Bernie. Yeah, be back in a sec. Okay, I just annealed it again. I'll get some more. Yeah, I've got about, what, 3 different types of these 5 Markkaa coins. Some have the icebreakers on them. Some have a seal. Oh, that sort of seal, you know. And I better make some big rings as well. How's it looking? It ain't looking too shabby, as they say. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. Thank you so much. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. There's a little button bottom right hand corner of this video. If you hit that, You're automatically subscribed. Wow. There's no bow in it, but I want to make them quite big. Because there's some big guys around, you know what I mean? I've never made them this big before. So it'd be interesting to see just how far I can do it before it splits. Hopefully it doesn't split. I've got my window open because it's quite warm. You can hear some sort of machine there. Right, I'm going to heat it up again. I'll be back in a sec. Okie dokie, I'm back. So now we're going to go to the arse end of the spike, and these are reduction dies. And we want to straighten up the walls because it's a bit cone shaped at the moment. So we want to find one of them just like that. Just like that. We want to get a bit of jollop in there. A bit too much. Perfect. And then I'm going to give it a little bit of the old 1-2. Wow, look at that. Perfection. Nice straight walls. I think. Yeah, it's not bad. So, now we want to clean it up. Make out Dave. And Kate Bush is already installed. This is like Quad Zero steel wool. It just gets the fire scale off. These come up really nice, these coins. Oh, they're cutting the grass and everything outside our apartments. They're really good here. They cut the grass. In the winter they clear the snow away. You don't have to do none of it. I'll tell you what, I'll close the window. Wait, bloke, you're too loud. Bugger off. Right, I'll shut him out. Noisy bloke. We don't like noisy blokes here, thank you very much. Right, let's take out the one and only. And install Felton John. And a little bit of the old Hoochie Coochie polish on it. Right, let's see what happens. If you're looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. You also get the video. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the information is in the description below. Or you can contact me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. Yeah, I'm going to do about 15 of these today. Not all the same icebreaker, but all the 5 Markkaa coins I'll do. I'll have a little tray of them. Just in case I sell a couple. I'm looking forward to it. It should be a giggle. So if anybody's in the Helsinki area, or Espoo, and you want to pop along, get yourself a beer and a ring or a bottle clock, I'd like to see you. Everything is going to be discounted. Wow, it's getting a bit warm again. Right, what we got? First of all, let's clean off the mingers, shall we? I just realised I was looking at the monitor when I was polishing this. Hopefully it was in shot. Usually I'm over there somewhere. Or there. We have another clean cloth, new one. That's probably what my eyes are going to look like Saturday night. Right, what we got? Let's have a look. Is it gorgeous? Is it sexy? 'Cause you're gorgeous. There you go. Finland. 1990. That was good year for grapes, I believe. It's not in the best condition, that coin, but you know, it is what it is. That's why I use the kitchen roll. What size we got? We have a size. This is a size 11, just over 11, 11-ish. It fits this finger perfectly though, absolutely spuddy dog. Thank you all for watching, thanks for your support, and do us a favour, hit the like button, or the dislike button, leave a comment, don't leave a comment. And God willing, I'll see you on the next one. Try and make somebody smile today. And don't let the bastards get you down, because if they can, they will. So just smile and tell them to bugger off. Have a good one. So bye bye.